Hey friends, ready to rock my workshop again? Today's mission, crafting a MITER soy station. Let's dive in. I aim to keep it simple as design goes, but I do need to work my magic with some not so perfect plywood and Douglas fir that's seen better days. No wasting here, just trying to turn some trash into something cool. Going rogue without a plan, let's see what I can come up with. Alright, time to prep the playground. Gotta shift stuff around, break it down, and salvage every bit for the big review of the new MITER station. I'm going to be using a lot of these parts here into the new one, so it's like a crafting dance. Taking apart the old to make way for the shiny new. Let the construction part begins. I have this hardware that's the secret sauce for leveling up. Easy peasy and lightning fast installation. It's like the superhero cape for making things straight and sturdy in no time. Time to sprinkle some of the magic and turn into this project into a leveling up extravaganza. Jokes aside, now I just finished the right side of my workbench. Now I'm going to start the left. I am aiming for an 8 feet long stunner. Got some wonky 2x4s. Honestly, these 2x4s are not very straight, but I'm going to try to make this work. So I need to go and play smart, puzzle pieces style, so when they come together, we are still rocking a flat and fab surface. Dusting off my MITER saw after a year not using it. And now that I cut all my wonky pieces, now I will use the pocket holes to assemble. Plot twist, I ended up not using the pocket hole method once I realized that I was out of the right size screws, but it's okay, I still work out in the end. Now to put all together in the workshop project, just added the part where the plywood in my trusty MITER saw will go. It's like the missing piece that connects the right and left sides smoothly, creating a solid unit with the central core. The workbench is taking shape and everything is falling into places. To make sure my back is gonna hurt tomorrow morning, I will move my MITER saw into the place to ensure everything aligns perfectly before diving deeper into the project. Doing a test run, just slice up 2 supports to slide beneath the MITER saw. That beast is heavy, guys. Now expanding the storage game. Couldn't part ways with this drawer. Not my finest work, but nothing here in the shop is anyway. Made with scraps and budget-friendly slides, but oh, it's a shop superhero. Now I nestle it in the middle of the left wings. It's like a hidden treasure. Had to tweak things a bit to make it snug since the drawer is not as deep as the workbench, but it's all about the perfect fit. For the top, I took some not so pretty plywood for the top and surprise, surprise, had to tweak the dresser again because it came up a bit short. Patched things up with some scrap maple, a perfect fit. Secure it all with a few screws and voila, we're almost there. The finished touches are in sight. Switching gears for a style upgrade, I wasn't feeling the love for the not so pretty top, so guess what? I grabbed some leftover flooring from inside of the house and I decided to give the workbench a sleek makeover. Install some adhesive tape for a smooth finish on the top, and here comes the genius move. I opted out of fences or tracks. Instead, I drilled some dog holes, giving me flexibility without compromising the precision. Perfect for doubling up as a spacious workbench when I need it. The cleanup crew is on action. Unfortunately, the footage of the door and drawer fronts cutting vanished into the air. However, I put my less than glamorous plywood and MDF to good use. Put them some splash of paint. They might have been on the brink of being trashed, but with the magic touch of paint, they have taken a whole new life. It's not perfect flat, really, but hey, this might not be my dream wood shop just yet. For the time being, it's looked pretty darn good and I was serving me just fine.